Hi, I'm Jason Wu. The Professor Cookerman wrote in New York Times, USA tax gap will attain 2.9 trillion USA dollar in next decade. It is a very serious critical to USA President Obama and the Republican in USA. Especially to critical Obama is missing from the narrative of Professor Paul Krugman. He wants a somewhat strong president and can insist some agenda for USA people. It is very serious critical to USA President Obama. President Obama want to compromise with the Republican and cut the tax about 2.9 trillion US dollar for next decade. But the problem is that the government deficit cannot decrease. And some important bucket will be neglected, especially for those who desperately need the USA government bucket for some American people, poor American people, and children, and the others' education at all. I think Professor Krugman with great courage to write his narrative in New York Times. Now the time in Taiwan is AM 6:49. It is April 12, 2011. In New York, Atlanta, it is PM 6:49. It is 6:49. It is April 11, 2011. Now I already wears my uniform. Okay, it is my uniform. Okay, it is my uniform. Okay, I'm preparing to go to the office. Okay. It is a group for security company. It is from Hong Kong, also in Taiwan. Now is some authority asking me to add 18 night hours job. So it is become maybe at night I need to work in the office. It is quite easy. At the night job, you just need to sit down there, not to sleep too much. In daytime, I still need to work in the office. So become 22 hours in a day for work. But at the night, not so serious job. You just need to 2 hour, 1 hour to take a look at the house and the surrounding. Is just okay. Thank you. I'm Jason Wu from Beito, Taipei City.